Recently in Houston, Texas, there was a multifamily group that bought $230 million worth of real estate, 3,200 units combined, and had a huge foreclosure, which means a lot of people lost a lot of money. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I like to be completely transparent with recent news, and I would rather have you hear it from me than just type it somewhere and then this pops up and says, oh my gosh, where is this, Alex? What's going on? So as an investor of ours or colleagues of mine, I'd like you to know upfront what's actually happening. Yes, multifamily investments is a risk, but how do you mitigate those risks so you don't end up like some of those people out there in Houston? There's 3 criterias in multifamily investment. Number 1, you have to buy right, which means that the location matters, the size of the building matters, where you're buying, the tenant base, everything matters. You got to be able to buy right. There's buy right criterias. Number 2, you got to be able to finance right. Can your multifamily sustain long-term sustainable growth? That's finance right. You got to make sure your debt is right. Is it agency debt? Is it local bank debt? Is it bridge debt? Is it creative financing? These guys who have done it maybe got a little too creative, right? Then number 3, can you manage it right? The management is so huge because that's a huge part, because if you bought it right and financed it right, do you manage it correctly? But the biggest thing when it comes down to it is the people that are running, that are operating the deal. Some operators can take a really bad deal and make it amazing. Some operators can take a really good deal and turn it into a terrible deal. You have to look at people's track record, what they've done. Talk to others who've done it, right? Have these people that you're working with, that you're teaming up, partnering with, done it time over time again? Have they done it in different cycles? How many have they done? Have they exited, gone in and exited out? What do they know? Are they visiting the site? Or do they just hear it in the whim? Do they know the people that you're working with? Do you know the people that you're actually working with? It's so important to vet the main sponsors and the key operators in a multifamily deal. So if you want to learn more, let's get together for a call. But reality, you can go online and take a look at it, read up the whole story on how these people in this company failed. But at the end of the day, educate yourself. Educate yourself. Know what you're getting into. Make sure you're partnering up with the right people. We'll see you next time.